New tonight to begin your late news, the Delta Conservation District Board is reaching out to the Michigan Attorney General for legal services. The board unanimously agreed to this move at tonight's meeting. This decision follows a July 25th meeting where board member Joe Kaplan cited concerns over Delta Conservation District CEO Rory Mattson withdrawing money from his district liability account. Board members say a district liability account, or DLA, contains employee bonuses. Kaplan cited concerns about not knowing where the money in Mattson's DLA account came from. Kaplan said he wants the Attorney General to weigh in before any money is paid out. Board members say there is $73,000 in Mattson's account, which he is unable to withdraw until the end of December.